It is the cause, not the death, that makes the martyr. In the year of 2000, he was recognized and honored with the Paramveer Chakra, the highest gallantry award of our India. Morning, friends, and I will start by saying that it is the cause, not the death, that makes the martyr. So it is the matter of honor for me to speak about the bold and the courageous soldier of Indian Army, Lance Naik Albert Ika, and he was posthumously awarded by the India's highest wartime gallantry award, Paramveer Chakra, in the year of 2000. So Albert Ika basically belongs to a small village in the Ranchi at that time of Bihar and presently in the Jharkhand. So he belongs to a tribal community, Adivasi community. So as we know that this tribal community having their source of livelihood as a hunting. So Ika was also interested in the hunting and he was expert in it. Once he grew up, he generated his interest to join the Indian Army. So he became the part of the Bihar regiment in the year of 1962. Once the 14th Battalion of Guard of Brigade was raised in the year of 1968, then he was transferred to that battalion, and here he was groomed as a best soldier of this battalion because he was already skillful in the ground and movement tactics because he belongs to the tribal community, and he was become the best soldier of that battalion by doing the great training of the Indian Army. And during the course of year of 1971, when the war was broke out between the India and Pakistan for the liberation of the East Pakistan, and then this battalion of Albert Ika was given the responsibility to capture the area of Ganga Sagar, that presently the part of the Bangladesh, because there was a possibility that the movement of Pakistani soldiers can took place from that front. So this battalion was moving towards that side, and they saw then before the 4th kilometer that they are about to reach that post, they saw the heavy movement of the Pakistani soldiers, and they were equipped with the best weapons, and they were in the fortified situation there. So the bombardment and the firing was started between these two groups, and Albert Ika showed that there was a heavy casualty taking place in our battalion because there was heavy firing was taking place from the LMG and MMG. So without even thinking about his life and safety and security, the Albert Ika just raised and he just ran towards that bunker. And during this course of action, he got injured, but he entered in that bunker, and with the help of his rifle's bayonet, he killed the 2 Pakistani soldiers and ensured that further there was no firing from the help of that particular LMG. He again stood up from there and he started fighting with the help of his comrades, and he destroyed bunker after bunker. And again he saw that there was a heavy firing was taking place from 2-story building with the help of MMG, that was the medium machine gun. So he realized and he remembered the tactics that he learned from the training, and he crawled down and he crawled up to that building, and he reached up to that building and lobbed a grenade in that building and destroyed the building, and he ensured that there was one Pakistani soldiers was killed and many of them were injured, and Albert Ika was also badly injured at that time. But again the firing was continued from that MMG, and then he again stood up with the help of this wall, and he entered in that bunker, and with the help of his rifle, again with the help of this bayonet, he killed that soldier and ensured there were no further firing from that MMG also. So during this course of action, he showed his bravery and the courageous moment, and with the help of comrade they captured that post. And but during this course of action, he sacrificed his life for the nation, and he again proved that the slogan of the Indian Army, service before the self. And during the celebration of the 50th Republican Day of our country in the year of 2000, he was recognized and honored with the Paramveer Chakra, the highest gallantry award of our India. And its statue was also made in the National War of Memorial in the Delhi, and his Albert Ika Chowk was also made in the Jharkhand. So at the conclusion, friend, I would say that these are our real hero, and these are the source of motivation for us. We should respect them, we should honor them, we should tribute them, and such kind of brave stories we need to tell about our upcoming generation also, so that they can learn some motivation and they can lead their life with courage and determination, and they can bring a good future for our country. Thank you, and Jai Hind, friends.